Imagine this. You're standing on a beach, watching the waves crash, feeling the wind brush against your skin. It feels eternal, doesn't it? But what if I told you this moment, you, the ocean, the air, is the result of 4.5 billion years of pure cosmic chaos, fiery beginnings, and impossible survival? Because the story of life on Earth is not peaceful. It's the greatest war for existence ever told. Let's travel back, not centuries, not millennia, but all the way to when Earth itself was born. About 4.5 billion years ago, our planet was nothing like the calm blue world we know. It was a fiery inferno. Oceans of molten rock, volcanoes belching toxic gas, and meteorites raining down like the universe's own artillery. Yet from this destruction, something miraculous was brewing. A young star, our sun, burned nearby, while deep within Earth's primitive oceans, chemistry began whispering the first words of life. Lightning struck. Minerals reacted, and in one of those flashes, a single molecule copied itself. That's where it began. Life's first heartbeat. For hundreds of millions of years, life existed only as microscopic pioneers, simple, fragile, and unseen. But they were relentless. They turned sunlight into energy, carbon into structure, and chaos into order. These tiny architects of life, bacteria, slowly transformed the atmosphere, breathing out oxygen that would one day allow giants to walk the earth. Fast forward to around 600 million years ago. The oceans were alive, not with monsters yet, but with promise. Strange creatures drifted through the water, jelly-like beings, soft-bodied worms, and spiny forms that would one day evolve into everything from fish to humans. Then came the Cambrian explosion, a sudden burst of evolution, where life seemed to lose its mind. Within a few million years, nature invented eyes, claws, shells, teeth, and the first complex ecosystems emerged. For the first time, life learned to hunt and to hide. Now we enter the age of fish. Earth's oceans ruled by armored swimmers and bizarre predators. Plants began creeping onto land, laying down green carpets across ancient continents. Then insects followed, buzzing through prehistoric jungles under skies filled with oxygen so thick dragonflies grew as big as hawks. But evolution had bigger plans. From the swamps, something crawled onto land, a creature with fins that had turned into primitive legs. The first amphibians took a breath of open air and changed history forever. Life was no longer trapped in the sea. Soon the world became a kingdom of giants, the age of reptiles. Dinosaurs thundered across lush forests, oceans swarmed with marine reptiles, and pterosaurs ruled the skies. It was a time of dominance, 165 million years of unchallenged rule, until, one day, everything changed. A rock from space, 6 miles wide, screamed through the atmosphere at 70,000 kilometers per hour. When it hit, it unleashed energy greater than every nuclear weapon on Earth combined. Darkness swallowed the planet. The age of dinosaurs ended in one fiery instant. But life didn't die. It adapted. In the shadows left by giants, small, warm-blooded creatures began to thrive. They were quick, clever, and hungry. These were the mammals, and their rise would reshape the world. From tiny nocturnal scavengers came wolves, whales, elephants, and eventually, a strange primate who learned to walk upright, make fire, and look up at the stars, wondering where it all began. That primate was us, and we are just the latest chapter in a story still being written. Think about it. From molten rock to breathing lungs, from single cells to civilizations, every heartbeat you feel today carries the echo of those first molecules that refused to die. The same atoms that built the first microbes now make up your blood, your bones, your thoughts. We are the universe trying to understand itself, living proof that chaos can create consciousness. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you are 4.5 billion years old. You are stardust that learned to dream, lightning that learned to love, chaos that learned to care. This is the story of life. Not just Earth's story, but ours. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that bring history and the universe to life. And tell me in the comments, if you could witness one era in Earth's history, which one would you visit?